Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to block JavaScript for specific sites in Google Chrome on your mobile device, with the latest steps for 2025. If you've ever wanted to stop certain websites from running scripts, maybe to reduce tracking, block annoying pop-ups, or just speed up your browsing, Chrome for Android makes it easy to control JavaScript permissions on a site-by-site basis. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. Make sure you're running the latest version for the best experience. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Site Settings. This is where you control permissions for different websites, like notifications, pop-ups, and JavaScript. Once you're in Site Settings, find and tap on JavaScript. By default, JavaScript is usually allowed for all sites, but here's where you can customize it. Now, to block JavaScript for a specific website, look for the section labeled Blocked or Not Allowed to Use JavaScript. Under this section, you'll see an option to Add Site Exception or simply Add. Tap on it. A prompt will appear asking you to enter the website address. Type in the full URL of the site you want to block, for example, www.example.com, then tap Add to save your changes. From now on, JavaScript will be blocked every time you visit that specific site, while it remains enabled elsewhere. If you ever want to reverse this, just return to the same JavaScript settings page and remove the site from your blocked list. Blocking JavaScript on certain sites can make your browsing faster and more private, but keep in mind that some websites may not work properly without it. If you notice issues, you can always edit your exceptions list. That's all it takes. Now you know how to block JavaScript for specific sites in Google Chrome Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.